Does your IT department feel like a money pit instead of a strategic advantage? You're not alone. Keeping up with evolving technology can drain your workforce and budget. In fact, 92% of large organizations now outsource IT support to streamline operations and cut costs. As Ethan Galani, CEO of Microtech USA, puts it, when you stop fighting technology and start leveraging it, you transform from reactive to revolutionary. The reality is, in-house IT comes with surprise staffing costs, emergency spending, and operational bottlenecks that slow down your business. Outsourcing eliminates these pain points by providing on-demand expertise, automated maintenance, and a predictable cost model. Plus, with cybersecurity threats on the rise, having a dedicated team monitoring your systems 24/7 ensures your data stays protected. Beyond cost savings, outsourcing gives you the flexibility to scale. Need additional support for a major project? No problem. Want to integrate new cloud solutions? An outsourced partner ensures a seamless transition with minimal downtime. If you're tired of reactive IT management, it's time to consider a smarter approach. Read the full article now on our website and discover how outsourcing your IT infrastructure can help you scale, secure, and streamline your business. And don't forget, add this podcast to your Spotify playlist so you never miss an update.